the next puzzle I have up is called A Puzzle in a Puzzle Box, and it was gifted by Tom Rutner. The only thing that is better than a puzzle box is a puzzle box with a puzzle inside of it, he says. So the object is to open the box and assemble a pyramid-like stack of balls using all the pieces contained in the box. Classification took opening puzzle box with an assembly puzzle inside it, and it was built by the same person. And the solution is added in here. Okay, so we're not going to look at that, but it's pretty nice. Obviously I don't need a hammer and I don't need a crowbar to open up the box. So it's a quick opening box. I only need my fingers. Aha, got it. I think. Did I? Okay, I'm going to put it down. I want to see what I'm doing because I get yelled at. Yep, I sure did. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright. So, I've managed to open the box. I'm going to do this on down here. Just down a little bit. That is really nifty inside. Okay. That is really neat. Alright, so, inside the box is a drawer. Here's a bunch of balls. And it's not your standard pyramid, is it? That's a new one. I'm used to the 444 one. Alright, what do we have? Smells good. Alright, so we've got two balls, 3, 1, 4, 1 like that, 2 like that, I can't count, 1 like that, and 2 L-shaped bits, and then the pyramid. So let's somehow, I'm guessing. Now here's the real puzzle with these kinds of puzzles. Let's sort out how to put them back away in the box. So you can put the box back in the box and then put the other box back in that other box. So maybe that doesn't go that way, maybe that goes that way. Ta-da! Yay, I solved the packing puzzle. Alright, so this one is a secret opening box with a pyramid and sides. And put it all together again, then make sure you get it the right way, okay, otherwise it won't reopen again. Will it reopen again? Yes, it will reopen again. This one is kind of neat because you have it in a paper bag and with some fluffy stuff on top, and there was also a Ziploc bag inside just in case we needed packaging. If you need packaging for a cardboard or a solid wooden box. So there you have it.